When considering Brightpearl for your dropshipping business, there are 12 important things you need to know before making your decision. While Brightpearl is a solid option, it's important to weigh it against competitors to ensure you're making the right choice for your needs. Let's dive into these essential points to help you decide if it's the right fit. First, Brightpearl is designed primarily for retailers, offering a comprehensive suite of tools that go beyond typical dropshipping software. It includes inventory management, order processing, and accounting all in one platform, which can make operations smoother. However, if you're solely looking for dropshipping functionality, other tools like Oberlo or Spocket might offer a more streamlined experience with integrations designed specifically for dropshipping businesses. Next thing, pricing. Brightpearl can be on the pricier side compared to other options. While it's powerful, its cost structure is aimed at larger businesses, so smaller dropshippers might find it more expensive than tools like Shopify or WooCommerce, which have more budget-friendly plans and integrations that can be more easily scaled as your business grows. The third thing, it has strong inventory management. Brightpearl is known for its accurate real-time inventory tracking, which is crucial when you're managing a large number of products. However, this may feel overkill for smaller businesses, especially when simpler solutions from platforms like AliDropship provide enough functionality at a lower cost. The fourth thing, Brightpearl offers excellent multi-channel integration. If you sell on multiple platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, Brightpearl can centralize your inventory and order management. But if your focus is primarily on a single platform like Shopify, you may not need all these integrations and could save time and money by sticking with Shopify's built-in solutions. The fifth thing, ease of use. Brightpearl is a robust platform, but it does have a learning curve. If you're new to dropshipping or e-commerce, the setup process may feel overwhelming, and it could take time to fully optimize the system. For beginners, platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce may offer a smoother user experience and better customer support. Next thing, customer support. Brightpearl does provide a 24/7 support team, but it's mostly geared towards larger businesses with dedicated customer support needs. If you're a smaller operation and need quick answers, support from other dropshipping platforms like Oberlo can sometimes be more accessible and quicker. The seventh thing, automation. Brightpearl allows for automation in several areas, including order processing, invoicing, and accounting. While this is useful for larger operations, smaller businesses might find this automation a bit much. Other tools like Spocket or Xers provide simpler, more intuitive automation for dropshipping businesses specifically. The eighth thing, integrations. Brightpearl supports a wide variety of third-party integrations, including popular accounting and ERP systems. However, this can be overkill for a business that's just starting out and may find cheaper alternatives like Shopify integrations with dropshipping apps sufficient. The ninth thing, scalability. Brightpearl is great for scaling your business, especially if you plan to expand into multiple sales channels or need robust reporting tools. But for dropshippers just starting out or running a smaller operation, you might find Shopify or Wix better suited for your needs, as they offer more affordable plans for growing businesses. The 10th thing, reporting and analytics. Brightpearl has robust reporting features that can help you track everything from sales trends to product performance. While this is fantastic for larger businesses, smaller dropshipping operations may not need the level of detail offered and could benefit from simpler solutions like Oberlo or Spocket. Next, Brightpearl's shipping management is reliable, but it's tailored more to those managing inventory. If you're primarily dropshipping, your shipping processes may be handled better by platforms that specialize in that, like Spocket, which can help you directly connect with suppliers to streamline your fulfillment process. Finally, Brightpearl's flexibility in product management is one of its strong points, offering tools that allow you to manage a diverse range of products. But if you're only focused on dropshipping, a platform like Shopify offers just the right level of control without all the added complexity. In conclusion, Brightpearl is a great solution for growing businesses that need an all-in-one system for managing inventory, orders, and accounting. But if you're primarily focused on dropshipping and want a simpler, more cost-effective platform, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.